Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest experience and disable comments on your pins, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn off comments on your pins using the latest Pinterest update, all from your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but what you want to do is click on Settings. This will open up a new page where you can manage all sorts of preferences for your Pinterest account. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll notice several tabs and sections. Look for the one labeled Social Permissions. Click on it to access more specific controls related to how others interact with your content on Pinterest. Once you're in the Social Permissions section, you'll see an option called Allow Comments on your Pins. By default, this setting is typically enabled, allowing anyone to leave comments on your pins. To disable comments, simply toggle this option off. This means that from now on, no one will be able to comment on any of your pins, giving you more privacy and control over your Pinterest boards. Don't forget this important last step. After you've disabled the comment option, scroll down and click the Save button. This will make sure all your new settings are applied and your preferences are updated instantly. And that's it. You've successfully disabled comments on your pins using the new Pinterest update on your PC. Now you can enjoy sharing your creativity and inspiration without worrying about unwanted comments. If found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.